Hey everyone, so today in this video I will show you that how you can create Roblox game on mobile. So I am on Roblox mobile app. So as you can see that once you click over to the right bottom corner and then just click on the create button over here, it shows that you need to be on PC or a laptop in order to create the game. But that's not true. There is a way to create the game on mobile, and I will show you exactly how you can do this in this video. So if this works for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as this way YouTube will start recommending this video to other users who are also looking for to make Roblox games on mobile, as there are many other videos on YouTube that is not showing exactly how to do this. They are just wasting the time. So let's jump start into the video. So first of all, just go to google.com, open your Google Chrome app over here and then search here Roblox, and then just click on the first link over here. And once you are here, just click on continue in browser. We don't need to click on continue in app. So there is another button at the bottom side of continue in app. Just click on that. So once you click on this, it will ask you to log in to your account. So just log in. I have already logged into web app. So once you are here on the home page, just click on create button over here. So again you can see that the same options were shown in the mobile app. So there is a way that you can convert this mobile version into desktop. So if you are on Android mobile, you need to click on these three dots, but if you are on iOS, there will be a button or a double A option at the left top corner. Just click on that. As I am on Android mobile, so I will click on these three dots and then just scroll to the very bottom and you will see an option as desktop site. Just click on this, and now as you can see that the desktop version of the mobile has just been opened, and now we need to create new experience. But once you click on this, you will see that it will ask you to download the studio, but we don't need to do this. As you can see that it is asking us to download the studio, but just click on this cross button over here, and we don't need to go into this. So now you need to again click on the search icon over here and type here https, and let's just copy exactly what I am typing over here. Okay, so this is the link that you need to go on your desktop version in mobile. So just copy this link and then click enter, and you will be moved to this page. Now you have a few options over here like game templates. You can choose any one of this template, and now just click on create experience. So let's say I am going with a city. Let's just click on city over here and then click on create experience. And now as you can see that it has been created, just click on this, and now we need to name our game. So just let's say I want to name it with the same as my channel name, which is let me guide. So and now mark it public or private. Let's just mark it public and click on save. Okay, so it has been created. Now let me just show you that what I have just created. Just click on create again, and now as you can see it is here let me guide. So the game has already been created. So once you click on this, it will be moved to the app section on your mobile, and then you can play over there. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.